All right, so these three bones I'm putting together because there's not a lot to them that I want you to know. First off, this is the patella. It is classified as a round bone as opposed to these, which are classified as long bones, and as opposed to the os coxa, which is classified as a flat bone. Now, the patella actually attaches to that of the what's called the quadriceps through what's called the quadricep tendon, and the quadricep tendon, which attaches to the patella, then leaves from the patella and attaches to the tibia right here where the star is, at that point it becomes what's called the patellar ligament. Okay, I'll come back to that a little bit later on when I go over the muscles and the structure of the model here. Now, I'm going to move this out of the way. The tibia, very easy to identify because of its T shape, flat on the top and then coming down like that, T for tibia, has several structures that I need you to be able to identify. So one of the structures right here, where it's starred with a red star, is the tibial tuberosity, which is where the patellar ligament actually attaches there. And this is actually very important because when the quadriceps tendon pulls on the patella then pulls on the tibial tuberosity, and that causes the tibial tuberosity to raise forward, extending the lower portion of the leg. Now, at the very top, we have condyles, okay? And then in between the condyles, we have what's called an intercondylar eminence. That's what this is right here. Now, the question then is, which condyle is medial and which condyle is lateral? Now, in this case, this happens to be the medial condyle, and this happens to be the lateral condyle. But the way to remember that is to actually follow down till you get to the bottom of the tibia, and you will see right here a process sticking out. This process sticking out is called the medial malleolus. Only the tibia has a medial malleolus. The lateral malleolus is found on the fibula, which is why I know that this is the medial malleolus and that this, everything on this side, is medial, which means that this has to be the medial condyle, whereas this has to be the lateral condyle. Now, down here we have the anterior crest of the tibia, right here. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to end no, don't stop. I'm going to end with the tibia on that, and I'm going to go here with the fibula. And there's only a couple of structures that I want you to be able to identify on the fibula. First off, you should be able to identify the head of the fibula, which is more bulbous, whereas the lateral malleolus is kind of flatter and more arrowhead shaped. So you'll see that. And then if I turn it, you'll see right here the anterior crest of the fibula, which is what that is right there. Okay, that's it.